Section 6.1, graphing equations, systems of equations. When you graph two equations on the same coordinate plane, the solution is the ordered pair where both lines cross. In the very first one, they cross at a certain point. In the second one, they're exactly the same line, so the answer would be many solutions. And the third one, they never cross, so the answer would be no solution. Example 2, we're going to graph and determine the number of solutions it has, and if it has one solution, name it. So we're going to graph. The slope is -3/1. My y-intercept is 10, which is the ordered pair 0, 10. The second equation is your slope is 1/1. Your y-intercept is -2, which is 0, -2. So we're going to graph these two equations on the same grid. Okay, where these two lines cross is the ordered pair right here, which is 3, 1. So the answer is 3, 1. Number 2, example 2, we need to solve each equation for y. We have negative y is equal to -2x minus 1. We divide everything by a -1, which changes the sign. Divide by a -2. Okay, so we need to graph these two equations on the same grid. As you can see, these two graphs never cross because they have the same slope, so they're parallel. So the solution is no solution. Example 2C, we're going to solve each one for y. Divide by 3. Okay, now we need to graph these two equations. Okay, these two lines cross at the ordered pair 3, 1, so the solution is 3, 1. That is the answer where they cross. Example 2D, graph each one. These, before we graph, we have to solve each one for y. The first one is already solved for y, but the second one, we need to solve for y. Now, when we solve this equation for y, it is identical to the first equation. So when we go to graph, we will have the same graph. They will be on top of each other. When the graphs are on top of each other, the answer is infinitely many solutions. It is not all solutions. It's only infinitely many solutions that are on the line. So there's a difference between all solutions. All solutions means every single ordered pair on this whole coordinate plane. Infinitely many solutions means it's only the solutions on this line. And there is your homework.